Okay, today we're gonna make these cute little chalkboard trivets. They're good for tags and place marks. Everything's super cute. Okay, so these are just little wooden cutouts, and you can use any kind, any size. So I take the chalkboard paint and I just put a dab in the center of it. This is a 3/4 brush, and you can see it's got a rounded tip, but whatever tool you like, what's comfortable for you. So I start in the center, and then I just, as the paint, I thin it out as I go around the edges. I'm going off the edges, and it makes like a feather coat. You can see the feathering is just how the brush distributes the paint in a thinner way. Okay, around in a circle. So I'm evenly distributing the paint, and then once I'm done, I'll lighten the brush tip, and I'm going off the edges so that the paint won't come over the sides. And now I'll just feather it really lightly across until I get a nice even coat. And I actually like the lines because the straight lines make a nice writing surface, and it makes it look more chalkboard. And one coat is good because even if it shows through a little bit, it looks more rustic, which is more like a chalkboard looks. And then I'll do the stem after it dries.